I have a 2006 Ford F150. It's the 5.4 Triton. It's got this clicking noise around, I know it's almost like mid-acceleration, or like if you're trying to hold a constant speed. Right now I'm on the interstate, driving about 70 miles an hour, so not really hearing a lot of it. But I'm going to try to get it to where you can kind of hear what's going on. Let me see if I can do it. This is me letting off the gas and pushing back on it. So I'm not sure if you could hear that or not. It's almost like a knocking, not a knocking, but it's like it's inconsistent knock. It's like I can't, it's hard to explain. Let me see, now that I'm at slower speeds, let me see if I can try it again. I don't know. I'm also getting a ticking, tick, 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 when my truck's idling. And I don't know, there's no codes, there's nothing going on. I take it to the shop, they're like, oh, it's just the Ford F-150 3-valve tick. And I don't know what that is, so. I had him do the spark plugs and all the wire or the module things, the coil packs. You know, that was like 800 bucks and it did nothing. He said that sometimes the tick can be caused by that. Also, he mentioned cam phasers, but he said there's no way to know unless he rips my engine apart. So, wondering if any of you could figure out what's making that sound. So it's basically when I'm accelerating, I get a ticking or a knocking, but it's not like a bad main bearing engine knock, like like something like that. It's more of an inconsistent type, something like that. I don't know if that's going to help at all. So, yeah. So if you have any suggestions in an old 2006 Ford F-150 with a 5.4 Triton, why it's making some knocking weird noises, let me know. Thanks.